I feel like windows and mirrors can be one of the most dissatisfying things to clean because you spend your time, you get them clean, and then they have streaks. In fact, there was a time in my 20s when I absolutely refused to do windows and mirrors because I felt like they just looked worse after I got done than when I started. Thankfully, I've learned some techniques since then, and one of those things is actually my Norwex cloths. And I want to let you know that these guys are not sponsors of this video at all. They're actually some cloths that I was given by a patient of mine a couple of years ago, and I have loved them so much. In fact, I've stuck with the same ones for, oh goodness, I think it's been 6 or 7 years now. They're getting stained, but they still work perfectly. So I'm going to show you how well these work for me. I've got this mirror that's got water spots and smudging on it and smears. And all I'm going to do is use water. That's one of the reasons why I love these so much, is I don't need any chemicals. So I put just a little bit of water on it. And then I use the Enviro cloth, which is the gray one. It has a little bit bigger nubbies on it. And so it does a good job at scrubbing. And that'll get any bigger chunks of anything off of the window or mirror. Essentially, this is the one that does the cleaning. And I just go over the whole thing a couple of times. And then I take my window one, that's the purple one, and I dry it. And this is what makes it so that it's streak-free. I don't even know what they have in it that does it like that. Something about the fibers, but it does such a good job. I'm always pleased. Now I have a completely clean, streak-free mirror that didn't require any chemicals at all.